Hey, kid. Fantastic start. Look, check out my new toy. It has more buttons than the Starship Enterprise. You know what? This actually reminds me. Pushing content into the Globosphere is a great way of giving back. The Bike Tricks series provides big Kodak moments, so don't forget to capture that steez. Better still, you can create your own kick-ass events and share them with other riders. And if you post something crazy enough, the Republic will promote and feature it at the Creation Center. Oh, and also, this is really important. Sharing with the community in this way really embodies what it means to be part of the Republic. And as a little bonus, helps you make a name for yourself as well. All right, anyways, these first few events are going to help you get to those all-important big competitions. But remember, making it to the Red Bull Rampage is still the main goal here. But if you can do it in style, get some snaps, and create some trails along the way, even better.
The sleigh.
That's how we do, girl. What you do?